Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Being Investors channel. So today the market opened at 18,265 levels, and from that level it just started to fall back down. The reason is because of the global cues that triggered the profit booking in the market, and from then on there was no looking back. The market just fell almost 190 points down, that is 1% of the Nifty that has fallen today. And the top gainers today were Davis Lab, Maruti Suzuki, HDFC Life, ISO Motors, and Dr. Reddy. And falling stocks were JSW Steel, Hindalco, Coal India, Tata Steel, and ONGC. The same stocks were there yesterday who were falling, and today are the same stocks which were falling today also. The most of the profit booking triggered from IT sector stocks, that triggered. Then it was almost the banking sector was also falling today. The bank Nifty also opened at high, and then it just started to crumble down. The resistance was at least, I think it is at 43,645. That level was the bank Nifty resistance level. From that it just started to fall, and it has fallen almost to 42,861, almost 573 points in the bank Nifty also. Okay, let's see on the chart how was the chart today of the trading chart of index, that is Nifty index. Okay, the market just opened up here, that is 18,265.25, and from then on it was just falling and falling and falling. It just came down at this level of 18,079, and from then on it started to go up again, and then just hit again at the tried to reach at today's high, but it was unable to do that, to break that level and go ahead. From then on again it's at 18,251 again. From then on it just started to fall down, and it just has closed at 18,036 at this level. Okay, so looking at our option chain, so by looking at option chain data we can say that the market is not going to close below 18,000, I guess, because there are 61 lakh contracts which are open and which has been sold puts. Okay, so I guess tomorrow the market from 18,000 to 17,800, these puts are going to get eroded, means they are going to close at zero. Okay, and from on the higher side we can see that 18,300 to 18,200 almost, these premiums are going to get eroded, and most of the time these are going to get zero for tomorrow's expiry. So I'm expecting that the market may remain on the sideways direction. It may not give one side direction movement at any cost. I'm hoping that because looking at the option chain data, and there are more call sellers are more on 18,200, that is 58 lakh contracts are open on 18,200 levels, and 18,150 at these levels. There are 31 lakh contracts which have been sold calls. Okay, then there is 18,100 where has been 45 lakh contracts open for selling the calls, which is premium of 34 rupees. So I guess these premiums are going to get eroded tomorrow in the morning, and then if the positions on 18,000 put side doesn't get closed, or they still remain intact, that is almost 61 lakh contracts which are open on 18,000 levels, if they don't give up on the selling positions, then we can see slightly upper side closing market, means almost the market may close at 18,100 to 18,200 levels max to max. Otherwise I don't think that is possible tomorrow. Most of the time the market is like to book profits tomorrow also. But looking at the option chain data, I guess if 18,000 levels put sellers don't give up, then the market may remain sideways and it will close above 18,000 and below 18,100 position. at these levels. Okay, and if then we can see some slightly upside tomorrow, some slight short covering, that is much possible tomorrow. That's it from for the NSE side, that is on the for the Nifty. And yesterday I have given call on the forex market, that is regarding the gold. Okay, so yesterday I told that you should buy gold at 1825 levels, 1825 to 1828 levels, keeping the SL of 1825 to 1823 levels. Okay, from then on the market, the gold has given a good run up. As you can see, it has been you can see that from those levels it has came almost 1864 high, it has been touched today. So due to the news of recession and other things are are happening around the market at this period of time, so hoping that the gold will touch at least 1900 in this coming week. Most of the time it will come, the news is on Thursday, so hoping that that time the market may remain little bit volatile. The gold market may try to come down a bit, and then it will bounce back on the higher side again. So at these levels what we can do is that we can keep the SL of 1836 for buying levels, and from the higher side for profit booking we can see that it may touch 1879 levels max to max, because it has some resistance at that level. And if that doesn't happen, then we can expect that it can fall up to 1825 max to max. That levels we can see. I'm not expecting that that much fall at first place, but we can expect that due to the news is pending and we can see some volatile move in the market. So we can expect, we can keep the SL of buying at least 1825, and we can keep the profit booking levels at 1879. Okay, by these levels we can play in gold. So this much is from for the forex market. So happy trading, and if you like my efforts, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is Being Investors signing off.